This simple 10-second habit will completely change your life. First, know that you are not broken, as the farming industry wants you to believe. This trick works so well that it doesn't matter if you are 20 or 80 years old, if you've been having hearing problems for 7 days or 40 years, or if you suffer from any other conditions. No more headaches, dizziness, or nausea, only clear sounds. No more constantly feeling angry. You'll no longer have to struggle at work, trying to figure out what your colleagues are saying and asking what all the time, or pretending that you're focused and serene when that piercing buzz is following you everywhere. It's time to regain your social life and be appreciated once again. This special formula works incredibly well. It's 100% effective only when you use all the ingredients combined in these exact same ratios to get the best possible result without adequate preparation. The whole ritual is pretty much worthless. That's why a lot of supplements don't have any effect, and this is something that no one will tell you. Big Pharma's interest is to keep you on the hamster wheel, not solve your problems. We search the whole world through our scientific connections and only work with certified producers and verified suppliers, making sure that for our recipe we used only top quality ingredients.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,
you're probably asking, how can I get this amazing supplement? The truth is that getting the right ingredients to make this powerful tinnitus and hearing relief is challenging. As I said, 97% of the natural ingredients in the market are either fake or filled with pesticides. This is essential to ensure that the quality of the product is 100% effective.
In the next few minutes, you'll find out how to get your hands on a brand new bottle. And before that, I want to explain to you how you should take Synapse XT.
All the ingredients are natural, most of them quite rare and hard to procure. And because you're watching this presentation, if you act today, through this website, and make the life-changing decision of investing in this extraordinary weapon, I've set up.
please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,